LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
Sweet power slide. Alright, we got a garbage disposal not working. Hit the switch over here. Nothing. Let's see what we got in here. Doesn't look too bad. So if you ever hit your switch for your garbage disposal and it doesn't come on, they all have little reset buttons. See that little red button there? That's the reset button. You just hit it and now it's reset. She's working now. She's definitely got some debris in it though. We'll have to dig it out. Looks like some plastic or something. Maybe came off a food wrapper. A hard seed. Like a fruit seed or something. Quick shout out to old Steve Lav for the bright light inspiration to go get one. I don't know how I ever worked without one before, but old Steve Lav with his Omega 13 watt light. Oh, it's like a piece of glass or something in here. You know, it's pretty amazing what I've removed from these things. I've removed shot glasses. Noodles are a big thing with these garbage disposals. I don't know why people think they can shove 10 pounds of noodles down them and it's going to handle it. But noodles and shot glasses are pretty common. Yeah, so some seed and some plastic off some food wrappers. That'll do it. I like to throw a little WD-40 in. Just lubes everything up. And sometimes you'll hit your reset button and then hit your switch and it'll just hum. That means it's locked up with something, and you can get one of these tools at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, wherever, and you can free it up with whatever's got it locked up in there. Just turn it and it'll free it up. It's a cool tool. I like it. It's pulled me out of many a jam. And I think this one's good to go. Alright. Sounds like a good disposal to me. Thank you all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.